Welcome back to Coco Quiz. Today's challenge is Choose Your Gift Squishy Dumpling Edition. In every round, you'll get 3 mystery gift boxes to choose from, but be careful, not every gift is lucky. Choose your first squishy dumpling. Which box will you open? If you had to pick one squishy dumpling box, which one would it be? Next up, only one box is yours. Which one will you choose? Only one box hides your dream squishy. Make your choice. Would you rather own a secret rare squishy dumpling or a secret rare Labubu? Like this video for Squishy Dumpling and drop a comment for Labubu. Trust your instincts and choose a squishy dumpling box. One, 2, or 3. Which box will it be? Your next squishy surprise starts with one simple choice. Ready for the cutest surprise ever? Pick a box. Three mystery boxes are waiting for you. Which box feels the luckiest? Can you find the emoji that's different from the others? Great spotting! The different one is right here. Will your choice reveal something legendary or something silly? One box holds your next favorite squishy. Which one is it? Pick your lucky squishy dumpling box in 3, 2, 1. Every box has a surprise. Which one are you opening? The countdown starts now. Choose your mystery box. Would you rather let ice squishy melt or simply like and subscribe to Save Squishy? Every mystery starts with a choice. What's yours? Ready to discover what's inside? Pick your box. One lucky pick could reveal the rarest Squishy. Which mystery box would you never pass up? One box is extra special. Can you find it? Pick your mystery before someone else does. Ready to see if luck is on your side? Your next Squishy is only one choice away. Left, middle, or right? Which Squishy Dumpling box are you picking? Can you pick the Mystery Squishy Dumpling box with the cutest surprise inside? Is luck on your side? Pick carefully. Pick carefully now to avoid the trap box. Can your luck lead you to the best mystery surprise? Pick your box and let's find out. There's no wrong choice, only different surprises. Take a good look. Which Squishy Dumpling box would you open up? There's no turning back after you pick. Which Squishy Dumpling box is yours? You've reached the end. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment down below on which Squishy Dumpling was your favorite, and don't forget to like and subscribe.